Hi guys, this is Zebra's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video ever on YouTube. I'm so excited to welcome you guys to my kitchen. So today we are making Alfredo pasta, also known as creamy pasta. So I'll be introducing the recipe to you one after the other. This is my minced garlic. We are using scotch bonnet, salt, seasoning powder, white pepper, chili pepper, Suya pepper and black pepper. Then we are using grated cheese, heavy cooking cream. For this recipe, this is the best cooking cream to use, trust me. I have salted butter. In case you guys are wondering the type of cheese I use mozzarella cheese, but for this recipe it is advisable to use a cheddar cheese. Then finally we have pasta. I'm using barilla pasta. You can use any type of pasta. In this video we are going to be using 500 grams. So let's get to the main deal. I'm going to start by boiling my pasta. I added in water into a pot. I added in my salt, I added in my pasta, and I'm going to be stirring for it to combine and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. For this recipe, you don't want your pasta to be too soft, so after 10 minutes you have to sieve it out and pour cold water on it so as to allow the pasta to stop cooking. So let's get to the main event. So in a dry pot, I will be melting my butter. I use almost half of this salted butter. After melting my butter, I'm going to be adding sesame oil. For this recipe, sesame oil is very optional. It's just to add flavors into your pasta. Then I'm going to be adding in my minced garlic, and I'm going to be frying for about 30 seconds. Then I'm adding in my scotch bonnet, of which I'll be frying roughly for 2 minutes. At this point, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning powder, and I'm mixing together so as for the seasoning to mix with the pepper. So I'm adding in my heavy cooking cream. I added 2 cups of heavy cooking cream. You can add in more if you want it to be more creamier. Then I'm going to be mixing together so as to combine with the sauce. Then after mixing together thoroughly, I'm going to be adding in my spices. Then I'm going to be stirring together to combine. And I added my cheese as a thickener. Then I'm going to be stirring together so as to allow the cheese to melt in the sauce. I added in little water and I'm stirring to combine. Then after stirring, I'm going to be adding in my pasta and I'll be mixing together thoroughly. So this is what you get after mixing together thoroughly. At this point, you can add in your parsley flakes, add in your fresh parsley leaves, and it's ready to serve. So this recipe is best served with cheese on top, and Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.